Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day, because we're gonna have my first ever tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to create an awesome and realistic lens flare to your video, like this. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we will create a new composition. I choose HD TV 1080 29.97 frame rate. Now, let's import the video footage. Then, drag and drop it to the timeline. If the video does not fit in the composition window, resize the video by changing the value of the scale. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D. Now, let's add new solid. Drag and drop it below the first video layer. Select the first video layer in the solid layer, and pre-compose. Make sure to select the Move All attributes into the new composition. Then, hit OK. Double-click the pre-composed layers to edit. Select the video layer and drag the current time indicator to find the best frame wherein we can create the lens flare. In this tutorial, we will create the lens flare on the headlight of the motorcycle. Using the pen tool, we will draw a mask on the motorcycle's headlight. Then, let's apply effect on the mask layer. On the Effects and Presets, type in Hue and Saturation. Double-click to apply on the selected mask layer. Change the master saturation to -100. Let's apply another effect on the same masked layer. Search for Levels, then double-click to apply. Adjust the input black and input white, until the color is clearly separated. The black becomes solid black, and the white becomes solid white. Now, let's animate the mask, so that the mask will follow the movement of the video. We can animate the mask manually by changing the path of the mask, frame by frame, but I prefer to do it automatically, by using the tracker. Just place the current time indicator to where you want to start the tracking, and then click the play button. Congratulations! We have done editing the pre-composition for the headlight. This headlight composition will be used as the source of the light. Now, let's hide the headlight pre-composition. We don't need it visually. All we need from it is the location of the source of light. Next, let's add new solid layer. Name it as lens flare. Go to Effects menu, click on Video Copilot, and select Optical Flares. Click on Options to reset the default lens flare according to your liking. There are lots of lens flare on the presets. You can modify the lens flare by hiding some global parameters. If you're happy with your lens flare, then press OK button. On the positioning mode, source type, select luminance. Then on the luminance option, source layer, select the headlight, in which we have already identified the source of light of the motorcycle. And on the lens flare layer, change the blending mode to add. Boom! You have just created a crazy lens flare of the motorcycle. Adjust the brightness and scale according to your liking. There you have it. We have just created a crazy, awesome, and realistic lens flare. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave comments down below and hit the like button and the notification bell, so that you will be notified on my next video. Thank you for watching. See ya!